mga boss, first trip natin ngayon. Grade 1. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, no cheese.
Maganda panahon.
I got cheeseburger. I got cheeseburger.
And it's not all.
You're so bad. It's a cheeseburger
Ma,
pizza.
Yo, look at this.
Pizza.
My girl likes 3.
Hindi makulimlim pero huli ka! Guys, sa Carson kami. Ayan, aming bag. Puno.